Hi guys, this is 2008 Subaru Impreza G3. So I'm going to replace for the timing belt. So timing belt is located inside this cover, in the black cover. You need to off that one. So okay, this is the timing belt. So you can see the number on it. Okay, this is the tensioner and all the idler wheels in here. First I'm going to do off the radiator and drain the coolant to the more access for the crank pulley. So I first the battery off the negative side and leave it like that, and off the top covers. Then you loosen the bolt in here. So I'm going to remove the crank bolt. I made this tool like this and put the lever, and you got the 22mm socket and put pin here. So this tool you can turn, hold this tool, okay, like this. Okay guys, you can see the covers this side, and you're going to off the dry belts. You can see the adjuster 12mm bolt and another bolt in here. So we're going to jump out the AC belt. They have no tensioner. Okay. It's a crank bolt. Okay, here the crank pulley. We are going to off all the cover bolt 10mm. So we take it out the covers. Okay guys, here's the timing belt. So we need to get back to the timing. You can see the timing mark in here, this yellow mark. So we need to off this cover, 3 8mm bolt. Then I have to put the timing tool in here. We have a time line in here, this timing mark. Guys, show the timing mark. You can see in here this mark. You can see this notch. So line to here. You have to adjust for the crank wheel. Yep, this one here, and this side, this mark line to in here. The bottom one you can see in here, one mark in here. This mark is line to this side notch in here, back front. There. Okay, this side, top one, this mark line to this notch, and you can see in here another mark. This one line to in the back in here is broken. These two line up here, and that side also two yellow notch, the green notch to line up to there. That's a timing mark. Here's all the idling wheels. This is the tensioner. Okay. So we're going off these 8mm bolts because we need to put the timing tool in here. Okay, it's coming oil out. It's coming O-ring here. So then after we need to put this timing tool on here. Timing tool is a magnet, like, okay. Okay, I put my timing tool and I lock the two pulleys. Timing marks all line up here. You can see is that one line there, the top one line here. It's okay, all good. The crankshaft, okay, in here, okay, and here is okay. So now I'm going to off the timing belt. So all undo the 14mm bolt to here. It's a 12mm bolt. Okay, this all 4 bolt is loose. Now we're going to off the timing tensioner, 16mm bolt. Okay, here's the tensioner. So back side of tensioner is coming some washer into here. It's going to back of the tensioner. So that one going in here. Okay, like this. Okay, I checked out for all the belt. It's a tensioner. 1, 2 idle wheel, 3 okay, it's the last one. So you can see clearly all the pulleys, the timing marks. All good. Now going to put back to the new pulleys and the timing belt. Okay guys, we installed all the pulleys. So this one we put back in the later. You can make sure all is turning, it's freely, not any rubbing or anything. This one okay, and this one okay. Okay, now we're going to put back the timing belts. Make sure timing mark is alright. Put first here. It's going here. Alright, like that. Okay, we installed the timing belt. You can see the timing mark. All line up. Guys, finally we installed everything back together, and with the coolant hose, everything back together, dry belts. So I'm going to start the car. Okay guys, car is sounding fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.